Hello, how are you all? Today I am going to tell you a story on attitude. Everyone has different attitudes. We find people with different attitudes. Situation remains the same, conditions have remained, but the attitude of the person changes. So this story is about a small boy. एक छोटे बच्चे की कहानी है. He was standing in the middle of the playground. वो एक playground के बीच में खड़ा था. He was wearing his pad, gloves were in his hand and had a cap on his head. पैड पहने हुए थे, ग्लोव्स पहने हुए थे और उसने सिर पे कैप लगाई है. He was holding a bag in his hand and in another hand he had a ball. एक हाथ में उसके बैग था और दूसरे हाथ में उसके बॉल था. There were so many people sitting around in the ground. The boy looked at the people and shouted. उस बच्चे ने लोगों को देखा और जोर से चिल्लाया. I am the greatest heater in the world. मैं इस दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा हीटर हूँ. Then he just took the ball and threw it up in the air. उसने बॉल ऊपर हवा में फेंकी. He held the bat firmly. As the ball was getting down, जैसे ही बॉल नीचे आया, he swung his bat in the air like this. उसने अपना बैट हवा में घुमाया. But he couldn't hit the ball. पर वो बॉल को मार नहीं पाया. So all the people looked at him and just smiled. Then the boy again bent down, picked up the ball, looked at the people. उसने बॉल उठाई और लोगों को देखा फिर से. And he shouted in a louder voice, और जोर से चिल्लाया. I am the greatest heater in the world. Now all the people looked at him. सारे लोगों ने उसकी तरफ देखा. And this time he was more prepared, more confident. Again he threw the ball up in the air, held the bat firmly. As the ball was getting down, जैसे ही बॉल नीचे आ रही थी, उसने बल्ला फिर जोर से घुमाया. He swung the bat in the air quickly. Again this time was a miss. इस बार भी उसने मिस कर दिया. Now all the people were laughing at him. सब लोग उस पे हंस रहे थे. They were making fun of him. उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. They were just laughing sarcastically at him. Again boy didn't allow himself to be discouraged. उसने अपने आप को डिस्करेज नहीं होने दिया. And he adjusted his pad. उसके पैड एडजस्ट करे. He removed his glove. उसके ग्लोव्स निकाले. Spit on his hand. हाथ में उसने थोड़ा सा थूका. And then rubbed hands against each other. और हाथ से उसने. Then again he put up his gloves. And now he shouted in the loudest of the voice. फिर वो और सबसे जोर से चिल्लाया. I am the greatest heater in the world. Now again all the people looked at him and just talking to each other. What this stupid boy will do? कि ये stupid बच्चा क्या करेगा? Again he threw the ball up in the air. This time he was extra careful. इस बार बहुत careful था. He was more confident and he held the bat firmly in his hand. उसने बैट को टाइट पकड़ा. Then as the ball was getting down third time, he swung his bat with full strength. फिर उसने पूरी जोर से बल्ला मारा. But this time was also a miss. इस बार भी उसने मिस कर दिया. Now all the people laughed all around the ground and making fun of him. सब लोग हंसने लगे, उसका मजाक उड़ाने. Then boy looked directly into the eyes of the people all around and said, "Wow, the greatest hitter in the world could not hit my ball." कि दुनिया का सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट हिटर था, वो भी मेरी बॉल को नहीं मार पाया. It means इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि I am the greatest bowler. So friends, this story is about attitude. Situation remained same for the boy all three times, but he changed his attitude. So we find the people with different attitudes. You also have a positive attitude. Look पॉजिटिवली एट द सिचुएशन। जब भी आप इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं तो आप ये मत बोल के जाओगे मैं जॉब में इंटरव्यू देने जा रहा हूँ। आप क्या बोल के जाओगे कि आई एम गोइंग टू ऑफर देम समथिंग। क्या ऑफर कर रहे हो आप उसको? आप अपना क्वालिफिकेशन, आपका एजुकेशन, आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपके स्किल, आपका टाइम ऑफर कर रहे हो। सो गो whenever you go for interview, go with this attitude, you will succeed that you are going to offer something. So this is how a positive attitude works. You change your attitude and things will move in your direction. Thank you very much for watching. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel.